Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve financial security with AIG detailed guide step by step clearly. To improve your financial security with AIG, start by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all necessary documents, including income statements, expenses, savings, and debts. Identify your financial goals, such as retirement savings, education funding, or buying a home. Visit the AIG website to explore various financial products and services they offer. Consider speaking with a financial advisor to discuss your unique needs and goals. Look into AIG's life insurance policies to protect your family's financial future. Evaluate AIG's investment options to grow your wealth over time. Research AIG's retirement planning services to ensure a comfortable retirement. Explore their health insurance options for protection against unexpected medical expenses. Consider using AIG's online tools and resources for budgeting and financial planning. Review your insurance coverage regularly to make sure it meets your changing needs. Utilize AIG's customer service for any questions or assistance you may need. Make a habit of monitoring your financial progress periodically. Adjust your financial plan as needed to stay aligned with your goals. Stay informed about financial literacy and investment strategies through AIG's educational resources. Take advantage of any available discounts or benefits that can add to your financial security. By following these steps, you can enhance your financial stability and peace of mind with AIG. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.